Life cycle. What's up, money geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in today's video, I want us to talk about some important things that I've seen happening in the market right now with the electric vehicle space. And so I want to prepare you guys for the next logical evolution. So again, we've covered here on the channel where I'm giving you guys step by step the different players in the EV space, not just the vehicles, but the lithium, the batteries, and then the cars, and then the charging stations. And now there's one other area where I want to introduce you guys to is the recycling of lithium, because we're going to run out of lithium mining and stuff like that, and the environmental impact of it, we're going to have some issues at some point, right? So what about we start recycling the lithium that we have right now in some of the cars? When we dispose of the electric vehicle cars, what becomes of that lithium battery? Can we reuse it? So that's what I want us to cover in today's video. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if there's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So the thing that I want us to actually look at here is the life cycle of the electric vehicle. And so you go from manufacturing, and then the vehicle eventually stops working and has a battery. What do we do with that battery? So there's been some companies out there that I've been looking at where they are talking about recycling this battery so that we still have some purpose. And the environmental impact would be less mining. So if we continue to recycle, then we're not really doing so much harm to the environment, because the basis of electric vehicle is that they're trying to save the environment. If you're saving the environment by destroying the environment, mining for lithium, and adding, in the process, polluting the environment again, then you're not really doing it. Like, you're doing good over here and just negating the good that you just did on this side. So these companies that I want to show you guys are really working and building solutions that would help to recycle lithium batteries and hopefully help reduce the environmental impacts of the battery. So let's jump right in and take a look here. So the first one on the list here is American Battery Metal Corporation. So this is actually one that's working at really helping to recycle the current EV batteries. So they take the batteries, go through a process of, again, environmental friendly process of extracting the lithium out of the battery, purifying that lithium, and then making it battery grade so that they can reuse it. So this is one, to me, this is a logical step that is really good. So I definitely see these guys becoming something. And as they're starting early today, hopefully as the EV market grows, there's going to be a need for recycling of vehicles. Because right now, I don't think that we have issues with EV vehicles just yet, because they're still really new. People are not seeing them in junkyard just yet. But eventually, we're going to be seeing these vehicles in junkyard. And with all that lithium, I don't think you want it just laying around like we have with current fossil fuel vehicles. So this company right now is actually trading at about $3.84. And just so you guys know, this one is OTC. So this is over the counter. So you're not going to find it in ROBINHOOD or WeBull. You have to find it with one of the major brokers like Vanguard, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade. So that's where you can find this one. Again, the ticker symbol is Abml, as you can see right there. And again, they are really focused on recycling. If you can see the process there, or the way they approach their sustainability, is that the battery they disassemble the batteries, extract the lithium out of the batteries, they purify that lithium, and then they make it battery grade again so that we can reuse it in battery. So that's great. And this company is actually located not too far from the Tesla facility in Nevada. So you can see that there's a chance there that Tesla could use them. But the second company that I want to talk about here is Redwood Materials. And this company was actually started by the former CTO of Tesla, the guy that was actually behind the building of the Gigafactory in Nevada, that battery manufacturing facility in Nevada. This is the guy that started Redwood Material, and so he wants to really focus on helping the climate by recycling all the batteries that are produced today. So this is why I think that Tesla might go into partnership with Redwood Material because of the connection between the former CTO of Tesla being the CEO of this company. So to me, that's what I think. But again, Jeff Bezos just actually invested $40 million in this company too. So there is, I mean, it looks like the company is getting some recognition. Again, these guys are just solely focused on recycling of the lithium batteries that we currently have in the market today. So you can see it's still a privately held company, has 3 major investors. Their latest deal amount was $40 million, started back in 2017. And so I'm looking at Redwood Material, keeping my eyes open. I won't be surprised if this company says they're going public anytime soon, and they might be going public through a SPAC. That would be, again, my speculation. I don't have any inside information or anything. I'm just looking at the way things are working right now. That would be the logical step. The only reason why we're not hearing a lot about these companies right now is because we haven't started to have an issue with batteries. Because if you go to a junkyard right now, seldomly, I think you wouldn't even find an electric vehicle there yet, because we don't have a ton of them. I think only like 5% of the vehicles you see on the road are electric vehicles. The minute we start having the issues where if you go to a junkyard, we're having the issue with these batteries just being exposed like that, which is poisonous, then you're going to see that these companies that are in the process of recycling are going to really step up, and you're going to see them really start exploding and making some good money. So I think this company is going to go public here pretty soon, and I think either would have a great partnership with Tesla, because Tesla already has a connection with them through their former CTO. And so that would be something that can definitely push this company. Again, Redwood Material is the name of the company. So there you go, guys. These two recycling companies, again, add to our logical step of evolution to the electric space. So we'll cover all the bases. So you mine lithium, you use it to build batteries, you put them in electric vehicles, you charge them with charge stations, and now you have to recycle them. So we start the process all over again. So let me know in the comment section. American Battery Technology is over-the-counter stock. So if you want to buy it, make sure that you have Vanguard, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade, those big name brokers. That's where you can buy the stock. Otherwise, WeBull and ROBINHOOD, they don't carry over-the-counter stock. So definitely make sure that you are aware of that. And as always, guys, make sure you do your homework. Don't be a greedy savage, and stay motivated.